Good morning, everyone. The Indian Navy is the maritime arm of Indian Armed Forces and play a crucial role in protecting the nation's maritime interest and ensuring security along India's vast coastline. Established in 1612 as East India Company's marine, it has evolved into a modern and powerful naval force. The primary mission of Indian Navy is to safeguard India's territorial water, secure sea lines of communication, and deter maritime threat. It plays a vital role in maintaining peace and stability in the Indian Ocean region. The Navy also contributes significantly to India's foreign policy through naval diplomacy and joint exercises with friendly nations. The Indian Navy operates a wide range of advanced platforms including aircraft carrier, submarines, destroyer, frigates and maritime patrol aircraft. Indigenous warship like INS Vikrant and advanced submarine highlights India's growing capability in defense manufacturing under Make in India initiative. The Navy also focuses on modernization through the use of advanced technology, cyber warfare, and surveillance network. Indian Navy is actively involved in humanitarian assistance and disaster relief operation during natural calamities such as tsunami, cyclones, and flood. Naval ships and personnel provide rescue, medical aid, and relief supplies, earning respect both nationally and internationally. Sailors and officers undergo rigorous training to develop physical endurance, technical expertise, and leadership qualities. The Navy motto, Shamno Varna, means May the Lord of Ocean be auspicious unto us, reflects its commitment to duty and service. Indian Navy stands as a symbol of strength, vigilance and technological progress. It ensures maritime security, support global peace and inspire young citizens to serve the nation with honor and dedication. For defense aspirants, the Navy represents teamwork, leadership and unwavering devotion to the country. Thank you.